You may be wondering why you need the Gemini app for your Mac when you already have in the browser. Watch this short video to learn how to install the Gemini app on your Mac. The system requirements for the Gemini app. How to analyze content in another window or application without loading it into the AI. The LLM models used in the Gemini app. What types of content you can analyze. Of course, the limitations of the Gemini app on your Mac.
The dedicated Gemini app for Mac offers superior, faster access compared to a browser version. Download Gemini for Mac from the Google website.
Gemini app allows the AI to process the content of an active application without uploading files or copy-pasting text. Open the file, PDF, Word, code, etc. in its native application and keep that window visible on your screen. Press Option plus space to bring up the AI on Google Search Chat overlay. Click the Add Files and Tools icon, the plus button, and select Share Window. Choose the specific window containing your document from the list of open applications. On your first use, macOS will prompt you to grant AI on Google search permission for screen and system audio recording in System Settings, Privacy, and Security. Type your request in the AI on Google Search chat box. AI on Google Search will analyze the visual context of that window and provide answers based on its contents.
System requirements. You need Apple Silicon Mac M1 or newer, Sequoia 15.0 or later OS, 8 GB of RAM. If Gemini is installed properly in your Mac, you should see the Gemini icon in the menu bar.
With a simple shortcut, you can summon Gemini instantly, eliminating the need to search through open browser tabs.
You can ask it to analyze a document, chart, or code in another window.
The Gemini app for macOS uses Google's multimodal models for text, images, video, and reasoning. The specific model depends on the version used. Gemini 2.5 Flash. It is the default model for all users. It is optimized for speed and everyday tasks. Gemini 3 Pro. Available to subscribers. This model is designed for complex reasoning and long context tasks. Gemini 3 Deep Think. A specialized reasoning model for advanced users focuses on multi-step problem solving. Nano Banana, a native image generation and editing model. Veo, Google's video generation model, creates video clips. Lyria, used for music creation, including full-length songs with complex structure or short loops. The Gemini app on macOS can analyze various file formats, including standard documents, PDF, DOC, DOCX, RTF, and TXT, spreadsheets and data, XLS, XLSX, CSV, and TSV, presentations, PPTX, and Google Slides, Google Workspace files, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, code files, PY.JS, Java, HTML, CPP, PHP, and SQL, images, JPEG/JPG, PNG, WBP, and HEIF. Video, MP4, MOV, and WBM. Audio, MP3, WAV, and AAC. Archives, zip files containing up to 10 supported files. The Gemini app for Mac can analyze files and share screens, enabling workflows not possible in a standard browser. Executive summaries. Get instant summaries of reports in Preview or Adobe Acrobat. Use the Option plus space shortcut and share the window to get key takeaways without uploading the file. Coding assistance and debugging. Share a code editor window, like VS Code or Xcode, to ask Gemini to explain functions, find bugs, or suggest optimizations. Data analysis and formula help. Keep a complex Excel or numbers spreadsheet visible. Then, ask Gemini for the specific formula needed to calculate data, or have it interpret trends and charts on the screen. Document comparison. Compare two versions of a contract or technical document to see changes. Learning and study aids. Upload academic PDFs or textbooks to generate study plans, create quizzes, or explain difficult concepts. Feedback on drafts. Upload writing, DOCX or TXT, and ask for feedback on tone, grammar, or areas for improvement. The Gemini app for Mac has several limitations compared to the browser version or other desktop apps. Feature and functionality gaps. The Gemini app for Mac cannot perform tasks directly on the computer, such as controlling other apps or moving files. The desktop app does not have features like notebooks, which organize chats into folders. The app does not support switching between multiple Google accounts. It cannot replace the native macOS Spotlight search functionality.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye.